Ay, nawala.
Okay, okay na.
Pinatay na ilan.
I pray that Christina will always stay safe and healthy and that she will have a bright future.
Alright.
Christina will have a good and long life for countless of years.
Sa Tagalog, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Si Emmanuel.
Ang malakas ang boses mo. Parang pag-ibig. Ang galing.
Sila ng dalawang na
Oo.